Hey, hi. I hope you are doing good. I know it's really messy out there. सब कुछ बहुत अजीब हो रहा है, नेगेटिव हो रहा है. एकदम से केसेस का राइज आया है एंड केसेस से राइज से ज़्यादा एवरीवेयर, नो मैटर ऑन टीवी, ऑन टेलीफोन, when you run calls with people, on social media, what we see is just about COVID-19. So जो वायरस की वजह से हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है वो तो हो ही रही हैं, बट उससे ज़्यादा साइकोलॉजिकली बैंड बचा पड़ा है. सो आई थॉट ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वीडियो एंड शेयरिंग अ कपल ऑफ वेज दैट आई फील दैट हम लोग इसको साइकोलॉजिकली बेटर वे में डील कर सकते हैं, कुछ चीज़ें अगर हम समझते हैं तो. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक इट एंड इफ़ यू फील दैट इट हैज़ हेल्प यू और इट कैन हेल्प यू और इट कैन हेल्प पीपल, डू शेयर इट विद समवन इन द एंड. So let's begin with it. So first of all, to deal with all of this, in this video we're going to talk about health wise how can you avoid getting COVID-19 or how you can better prepare for it. And two, we're going to talk about how you can deal with it psychologically, because it is, agree with this. I'm sure everyone's going to agree with this, that it is negative, depressing है बहुत ज़्यादा और दिमाग ख़राब होता है. We cannot really deny the fact. So first of all, the very first thing that you want to do is you want to reduce watching news. क्योंकि न्यूज़ कोई भी चैनल लगाओगे नेगेटिव ही होगा. एंड इफ़ यू सी योर एनीवन फ्रॉम योर फैमिली वाचिंग न्यूज़, अवॉइड इट. If you watch television at all, then maybe watch a movie, watch a good movie, watch a TV show, watch a reality TV show. बहुत सारे shows आते हैं, so do that. But and also make your family understand that ये सुन के जान के क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा, हम बहुत डरेंगे. हम ऑलरेडी देखो लॉकडाउन्स हैं, कुछ जगहों पे कुछ में नहीं है, बट हम अपनी तरफ से हर चीज़ कर रहे हैं. बट देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट कि हम रोज़ पता लगता रहे क्या क्या बाहर ख़राब हो रहा है, क्योंकि न्यूज़ चैनल्स का काम ही है ये, ज़्यादातर आपको ख़राब चीज़ें बताई जाएंगी. सो डोंट डू इट. Okay, so that's the very first thing. And if you feel that social media is becoming really negative for you, take a break from social media. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको वो सारी चीज़ें बार बार देखते रहनी है. Take a break from it. Simple. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay, that's the first thing. Two, you want to be grateful that you're okay. If you're seeing this video, most probably you're okay right now. And even if you're not okay, you're alive. You're seeing this video right now. You're able to hear this out and you have a phone in your hand right now. Be grateful that you're okay. Be grateful that you have the time and you have this life to breathe right now. You're breathing right now. Nothing's better than that. So be grateful that you're okay. All right, and be grateful that you can be there for the people around you. Okay. Third, you want to help the ones around you, so you want to make that effort. Now, if someone's messaging you that ये चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, share it on your social media. Make some calls to get them that help. कि कोई medicine की ज़रूरत है, beds की ज़रूरत है, effort करो. Does not matter if you're able to find what they need, but effort करो. One, सामने वाले को psychologically, mentally support feel होगा that I'm not alone, जो उस चीज़ से deal कर रहा है, कि मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ. There is someone out there, even if that one person is out there who can help me with this. And two, आपको खुद बहुत अच्छा लगेगा यार, दैट यू एक्चुअली सपोर्टिंग पीपल. आप अपने से ऊपर सोच रहे हो एंड यूर एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग समवन. सो डू इट. ओके. फोर्थ, यू वांट टू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. नाउ व्हाट कैन यू डू टू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ अपार्ट फ्रॉम व्हाट द गवर्नमेंट इज आस्किंग अस टू डू. बाहर नहीं निकलना है, मास्क लगाना है, ऑल ऑफ दैट इज़ फाइन. यू वांट कीप योरसेल्फ हाइड्रेटेड. रोज़ 3 बॉटल पानी सुबह भर के रखा करो एंड इंश्योर कि वो 3 बॉटल रात तक ख़त्म हो जाए. पहली चीज़ ये, 3 बॉटल्स. ओके. सेकेंड थिंग, you want to increase the amount of fruits and raw vegetables that you're taking. A very simple thing that you can do to be healthier is 12 बजे से पहले, like before 12 p.m. have as many fruits as you can. 2, before your घर का खाना, before your lunch and dinner, have a salad. Have raw vegetables like खीरा है, cucumber, tomatoes, and carrots. Any vegetable that you can add in your salad, have it before having your lunch. And कभी भूख लगे, fruits या vegetables ज़्यादा खाइए. Have fruit juices like mosmi juice. Have coconut water. These things this is for you and your entire family. Now I can go really deep into this, that why you should be doing this, but trust me, it's really going to help your body and your immunity. Okay? So that's another thing that you want to do. The next thing that you want to do, which brings me to point number 5, that even if something goes wrong with you or with anyone around you, first understand that everything is going to be okay. Psychologically, once you accept the fact that things are going to be okay and you're going to be fine, or your loved ones are going to be fine, you're going to have the power to deal with it. You're going to have the strength to deal with it. So accept the fact that everything is going to be okay. I'm all right. My loved one is all right. I'm going to do everything that I can. I know it can get stressful, it can get tense, tension होता है, बढ़ती है, definitely समझ आती है वो चीज़, लेकिन try and just let it go away. Okay, stay calm, and even if something happens, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get through it. I'm gonna do the best that I can, and I'm gonna really get out of it. And I'm sharing this after seeing my father getting COVID-19, getting hospitalized and coming back. What really helped him get out of it was his mindset and his psychology, and I've seen this happening with a lot of people around me. It really works. Brings me to point number 6, which is the last point. Focus on the good things and the positive things that are happening around you. So many people are, if you check on social media, everyone's sharing stuff to help each other. ज़्यादा beds लगाए जा रहे हैं. People are coming out to support each other. People are sharing stories. Vaccines, first में से vaccines सबको लगनी start हो जाएंगी. So much is being done for you, for your loved ones, for the people around us. So just take care of that, be conscious about that, and be grateful, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like it, do share it with someone you feel needs to hear this out. Do share it in your stories, and do leave a comment with your feedback. I mean, what do you think about this, and how are you dealing with it? Do you have any tips or any hacks that you're using to deal with it, to stay calm, to be happy, or how are you dealing with it? Would love to hear about that in the comments below. And if you like it, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, do share it with someone that you love and care about. Thank you so much. Love and care. Let's fight this together.